Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a squishy package with rare squishies in it. But without further ado, let's just get on to the video. Also, this is from squishies.cherry on Instagram. So yeah, these were up for bid and I won the bid. But yeah, I'm just eating popcorn. So let's open it. I don't want to... I think I might have like stabbed. No. Actually, I don't even need anything to open this with. And sorry if my sister... No! Okay. Sorry if my sister just randomly comes into my room and like the video ends because she was using my mom's computer, which is the one that I'm filming on right now, and she won't ever let me use it. So I just took it because she's outside because she's fixing her car with my grandpa, and then yeah. So okay, I've already got like a sneak peek of it. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't really give you guys like the first peek. I'm just gonna start out with the note. Oh well, the extras, I thought this was note, but she just gave me little memo sheets, and then she gave me this extra. It's like a Febreze bottle. It's like a cleaning supply. I'll just say that. The bottom, it looks like toothpaste, but just like a taped one. Sorry, I'm pretty sure my sister came back inside. It just smells like strawberries. But there are the extras. Thank you so much. So I'm going to start off with the right item first. Two of the things were right. One was wrong. This package was really, really expensive. So, first we have... Okay, well, first it's just this note. And then we have this Kunimaru Koala Animal Bun. The rare one. And it does not have it sent. She didn't tell me that. But she told me about the defects on the ears. I didn't think they were going to be that big, but that's totally fine. Now I have two of these. So she didn't tell me a lot of things about the squishies. Like she didn't tell me that it didn't have its acrylic, which I'm very upset about because my favorite thing about them is like the acrylic. She didn't tell me that it didn't have it sent, that it didn't have the acrylic. And she told me that it didn't have the packaging, and that was it, and then the defects. But then the other things she didn't tell me about, like the acrylic and like the scent. But, oh well. This was only like $9 anyways, plus shipping. Okay, so next right squishy item that I have is this Kunimaru Jumbo Peach Mochi Seal. I'm probably never going to buy from her again, just because she didn't tell me, like, anything. So, like, the box is, like, messed up. She didn't tell me. There's taped things on the bottom of the box. But here's just the box. It's this mango mochi seal. There's just the box. Here's the beauty. Actually, it's not Squishies.cherry's fault, actually, because these aren't her items. So it's actually not her fault. It's her friends didn't, like, tell her about things till... I'm not sure. Oh, this It's pretty kind of airy. Okay. It smells so good. So, or wait. Here it is. Here's the ball chain. And then this squishy. It's actually kind of dense. I'm not really sure, but I don't think it had any defects. I'm not too sure. It's really, really crisp packaging. There's the stamp. It kind of smells good, and I was like, do I want to take it out? But I guess I will. Oh, actually, it's not the best. Actually, it's not the best smelling squishy. That's okay. Oh. Yeah, there's no defects. I thought she said that there was defects on this one. I'm not really a fan of the scent. It smells like bad, rotten, buttery popcorn and like chemicals and peach. But I'm not gonna like really be taking this out again because look how crisp the packaging is. So there's that one. So the next one is the one that was wrong. I don't think this has been opened yet. I know I don't want to open it. But it's this one. So we have this. Here's the box. It actually sticks on nice. Like it's like that. The other one isn't like that. So I'm just gonna, oh yeah, here's the ball chain. Just gonna give it a squish in the packaging. Sorry, my dog's at the door. It's not as slow as the other one. Couldn't find the tail. The only reason why I don't like these ones, I used to like them, but then I got a replica one of this, and now like I don't like the real ones of it. Sorry, that was nice. Hold on, Butter. I used to watch that show when I was like littler. It smells, oh my god, I know this scent. Oh, like the Punimaru mini strawberries. Yeah, that's the name of it. The Punimaru mini strawberries. So here it is. I don't think this one really has defects either. I'm so confused. But that's all I'm gonna squish it because it just smells amazing. It really smells amazing. But that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below which squishy was your favorite, and also some video suggestion ideas. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I put. So yeah, bye guys.